potato latkes. My mom didn't want to spend all her time in the kitchen with the potato latkes making one at a time. So she came up with a solution, and that was to make one big potato latke in the skillet, make it fresh, and put it on the table. Maybe she made 2 or 3 of them, and we all cut our own slice. So I'm sharing with you my mom's solution to enjoying the family at Hanukkah, the potato latke in the skillet. So we are going to be using the food processor to make this wonderful potato latke in the skillet. We added 1 pound of potatoes, which actually comes to 2 nice-sized potatoes. 1 medium onion diced up gets added to our food processor. Okay, we are going to be adding add a half a cup of breadcrumbs, matzah meal, and that's going to be poured right into our mixture. We are adding 2 eggs. As we do always, we are going to check our eggs. 2 eggs added. Let's get started with a pinch of salt. Of course, we're going to taste it along the way. And I'm going to add our pepper. It's seasoned to taste time, but we'll do most of the seasoning in a little bit. So now we're going to puree it completely until it's a nice liquid. The latke needs to be crunchy. So you need to have a nice amount of oil in your skillet. We're adding about a 1/4 cup. Up the heat. And what we're going to do is give ourselves the opportunity to taste our mixture, because we want to make sure, as with everything, we need a pinch of salt going in there. So you taste it for your family's own taste. My family likes it peppery and likes it a little bit with that nice seasoning. So we're going to put our food processor top back on, and the is ready to go in. And we are going to listen to that sizzle. Okay, we are making our potato. What a great sound. We have to cover. This potato latke is going to sit on top of your stove, covered, for about, till the sides get nice and brown. I would say it's about 10 minutes. And then we do the flip. All right, we are ready for our flip. We take the cover off. I like to turn the heat down. Take the size plate, place it right on top of your potato. And I take a nice little towel. Now, my brothers probably would have done one of those flips, but I'm taking it the way my mom did. She takes the pan, flips it over. Beautiful. Came out golden. And now we slide it back in for the second half. Okay, that was a perfect flip of our potato latke. It slid right back into the pan. We put the heat on low. We are going to let it cook now for another 10 minutes. My mom's secret is the toothpick test that we will do in 10 minutes. So let this simmer on your stove for 10 minutes. So my mom's test to see if your potato skillet latke is ready is you take your toothpick, stick it into the middle, and it should come out perfectly dry. Your potato skillet latke is done. We take our potato latke, look at a beautiful golden color, slide it right out onto our serving platter. So here is our potato latke skillet. Are you applesauce or sour cream? You're going to have your knife, cut yourself a slice, and everyone will have a fresh, hot potato latke skillet. Enjoy. Happy Hanukkah.